Hello guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. This video is a guide on how to jump right into the Mystiko airdrop that is already live. Mystiko is a base network of Web3, and apparently these guys have raised over $29 million in investment, right? At the moment, they're running an airdrop campaign on Galaxy where people get to complete tasks and are rewarded with points. So I'm just going to show you how to accumulate these points, because these points would definitely be considerations for future airdrop rewards. In this tutorial, we're going to be using MetaMask wallet. So let's open MetaMask. Alright guys, so over here in MetaMask, we want to make use of the wallet browser. We want to go over to Mystiko on Galaxy. The link to that is right in the description of this video. Alright, so let's open our browser, paste the link, alright guys, so the first thing we want to do is to log in by connecting our MetaMask wallet. So after that you've connected your wallet, it's pretty straightforward what to do. As you can see, there are a number of tasks here to complete. There are tasks to complete on Twitter. So you would definitely have to connect your Twitter account, and then there's a Discord task, so you have to connect your Discord. There is also a quiz task where you most probably have to answer quiz questions. For this, you will have to connect your email. Alright, so once you complete all of these tasks, you are going to be rewarded with points. You're going to get 40 points for all of these tasks. You want to keep checking for new tasks because as much as you can, you want to accumulate as many points as possible. Another way you can earn points is by referring your friends. You can copy your referral link and then refer your friends. And the more friends you refer, the more points you earn. It's that easy and straightforward. So we've come to the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Please do ensure to drop your question in the comment section. And of course, do not forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.